Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just want to take a moment and tell you about this Scout 377 that we just received. The boat's crystal blue, and it's a really beautiful boat. Up front we have a windlass system with a raw water washdown that you can wash your anchor off. It's really nice. And foot switches here to raise the anchor up and down. This boat also is equipped with a table. Automatically deploys from here and up and down. And then you have storage throughout all positions around here, and then another storage position here. Teak flooring, so it's really nice. Nice, great spot here for your fenders and dock lines. It's also the ladder for the dive doors here. On either side of the boat, you have a big storage compartment with some nice stainless steel support there to keep it open for you. And then also these lights are really nice at night. Set a nice feeling on the boat. Nice ambiance, they pop up and down. Moving back towards the back, this boat has the upgraded stereo system with the larger JL audio speakers. Handrails throughout and combing bolsters throughout the boat all the way around the entire boat. So really nice powder coated top, hard top. There is a piece that goes here, canvas covering that covers the entire center console. Then at the helm we have 3 Garmin screens, charging ports, Mercury skyhook with autopilot. This boat has the active trim system, so once you set your trim parameters, it just trims the boat up and down. You don't have to worry about engine trim at all. It does have a bow thruster, and this boat is equipped with air conditioning. And then you have also an opening sky roof here, opens up, and triple seating arrangement here with these flip down thigh rise bolsters. It's really nice. Nice Scout emblem on the back here. Armrest. So really comfortable seating up at the helm. Moving back towards the back, have a nice aft facing seat with 4 stainless steel cup holders across the back, and then another two other charging stations here. We have fish boxes on either side for the catch, or they can also be used as coolers. They're well insulated. And back in the transom on the aft seat, you have another fish box with a magnetic clip to keep that down. Shore power hookups here on the side, and then you also have freshwater and a raw water hoses in the back, squirting down the deck or squirting on your feet when you come in off of the transom. This boat's powered by twin 600 V12 Mercury Verados, and it's really great for plenty of power. I mean, the boat just jumps up on plane. It's really nice. Also, this boat has a sea keeper, which keeps the boat steady in all conditions, and then it also has zip weights too, so this boat's super solid on the ride, offshore fishing, stationary, wherever you want to do. Another feature of this boat, we have here the dive door. Opens up, and a ladder that pops into there and drops over the side 3 or 4 steps down, so very easy to get in and off of this boat when you're at the sandbar. Nice walk around platform with plenty of room around the engines. Nice teak. And then you have a live well here with the clear top. Access to any baits that you might have. Deck drains here on the floor with the Scout emblem on them. It's really, really good looking. And then also this boat is equipped with the refrigerator here inside the console. So that's a nice touch. Hey, we're in the interior of this 377 Scout. It has these nice shades here, really work well. There's a TV screen up in the bow, and then there's also a bow filler cushion that goes up on top of the table in the front. Nice hard door here. Overhead shower is pretty cool in here. Nice Tecma toilet, vacuum flush toilet, and you have remote microwave here, storage throughout. This is your control panel. So everything that you would need to access there is easy to get to. All your batteries, engine, turn on batteries for engine and the actual boat. And then your solar charger panel is there to tell you where it's at. It's the solar charger panel on the top. And there's also a table that goes in here, and then a filler cushion that fills this and makes this a complete bed. So it is capable of overnighting for 2 people or 3. And this is the interior of the 377 Scout. So if you have any questions, we'd be glad to answer any questions for you that we can. This is a 377 Scout, and we'll be glad to answer any questions. 912-525-0961. Thank you.